Episode 1. The Mystery of God's Silence. When he opened the seventh seal, there was silence in heaven for about half an hour. Revelation chapter 8, verse 1. There are moments when heaven feels quiet, when prayers seem unanswered, and God appears distant. Yet even in heaven, there is a holy silence before divine action. In Revelation, silence isn't absence, it's anticipation. Before God moves, he pauses. In your own life, maybe the silence you feel is not rejection, but preparation. God's silence often means he's arranging something unseen. The waiting may feel endless, but silence is heaven's breath before breakthrough. When you learn to trust God in his silence, peace replaces panic. You begin to see waiting as sacred. The moments of quiet become proof that God is still in control, even when you don't hear him. Lord, when I can't hear you, remind me that you are near. Help me trust your silence as part of your perfect plan. Teach me to wait in peace, believe in your working behind the scenes. In my quiet moments, let my heart rest in you. Amen. The story doesn't end here. Another mystery awaits, deeper, more powerful, more personal. Subscribe to watch the next revelation in Hidden Mysteries of the Bible, Episode 2, The Mystery of the Unnamed Boy. Like, share, and subscribe to remind someone today that silence doesn't mean absence.